Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got the September Allure Beauty Box. And this box is filled with goodness. This box costs $25 a month, and it's valued over $100, sometimes close to $200. So let's see what's in there. When you open it up, it looks like this. There's always a nice brochure with a very beautiful woman on it. This woman's skin is stunning, perfect. And then there's a little tissue in there, and then our products. So let's see what we got. I do know a little bit of what we got because I try to keep up with it on Instagram. I have a link below. You can sign up under me if you want to. But usually on Instagram, they have all kinds of deals. Like they have a $10 off if you join for your first month, or $15 off, or you can get something, a product for free. Or if you sign up for the year, a lot of times they have a nice box that you can get for free. So check it out, because if you like skincare especially, this is a great box. There's often one or two makeup items in there, but the rest of it is skincare. So let's start off with, Allure is a beauty magazine, and it's the editors from the magazine that tell us what we should try, some new products that might have come out and that kind of thing. So back in August, we got to choose. Usually everybody gets the same stuff, or there might be one item that might be a little bit different, here and there. But once in a while, we get to choose something, and we got to choose a nude sticks. So this is the brand Nude Sticks, and this came in 4 colors. Excuse me, my allergies are bothering me. There's the colors, and the pollen's very high here. And I chose, it came in Sunset Strip, Naughty and Spice, which is what this is, Picante, these are all mattes, and then there was a dewy color that is Cherry Blossom Babe, is called. $35 for this, so that right there is more than the cost of the box. So this is full size. It's very beautiful. Here is the color. It matches the trim there. And then the other side is a brush where you can blend it. So there's the name, Naughty and Nice. It says all over blush, but I think it's an all over face stick. So you can use this on your lips as well. And then there's the blush for you to blend. So that is very nice. And it's very pretty. And it seems we're getting a lot more and more cream blushes these days. Sometimes I use them. But most of the time I use a powder, but I may use it. And also in this box, you are promised 6 items, 3 full size, 3 deluxe samples. And sometimes we get more than that. Sometimes we get more than 3 deluxe. More than 3 full size. And sometimes we get more than 6 products. So next up we have Ren Skincare is excellent, an excellent skincare line. This is $51. This is full size, 15 ml. This is the Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. And I know that I have had this before. I don't know if I used it, but I've had it before. I love this kind of bottle because this pump is really nice. You pretty much get out just what you need with that kind of a pump. It's very nice. This bottle is empty from here down. This is like a false bottom. It's sort of funny. But it says about this that it's hard to find an eye cream that actually makes a difference in how under eyes look, but with consistent nightly use, I've noticed this formula helps lessen both discoloration and puffiness. That is from Allure's Diana Mazzone. It's lightweight, wears well under concealer, and the pump tube is a nice plus. That is nice. So no dripping. That's true. I do like that kind of a thing. Next up, we have another full-size item. This is Beauty for Certain, and this is a pigment gloss in diamond. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but there are fabulous sparkles in here. It's a clear gloss with the sparkles in it. This is a $22 value. It says clear and glitzy. This high shine gloss has a pretty shimmering effect on lips. It makes them look fuller and feel more hydrated, and it doesn't slide right off. Quite the contrary. This gloss wears well for a couple of hours. So that's very nice. It's shrink wrapped, so I'm going to leave it shrink wrapped. But that is beauty for certain. Another full-size item. And we have a fourth full-size item here, y'all. This is from Dear Midnight. Dear Midnight Atelier lip pencil in Stella. So this is very beautiful. It has gold on black. And yeah, it says Dear Midnight. And this pinky pencil helps define lips so they look fuller under your favorite lipstick or new shiny gloss. It also helps stop the color you put on top from smearing or bleeding. That's what, what lip liners are supposed to do for us. So that is very pretty. It's a good neutral. It's got a little pink to it. And they're saying too, you can use it all over your lip and then put that gloss over it. That would be very pretty. So that's 4 full-size items, y'all. And this is $18. So, wow. Oh my goodness, we have another full-size item. Wow, this is 5 full-size items, y'all. This is Dove Plant Milk Cleansing Bar in coconut milk and sugar, lychee, or oatmeal and berry brulee, or turmeric milk and lemon drop. I got the turmeric milk and lemon drop free in my FabFitFun, and I knew when I saw it, I was like, I thought this was coming in Allure. So it does. So I'm glad I got a different scent. This smells fabulous. You could smell this in my mailbox. It's nice and strong. This is a $5.99 value. It's a full size. And it's soap. It's a moisture marvel. Dove is known for being moisturizing. It says lather up and turn your shower into a mini aromatherapy session. So it smells really good. So I have 2 out of the 3 scents. So the other one the one I don't have is the sugar lychee, oatmeal and sugar lychee. No, coconut milk and sugar lychee. So that is really cool. And next up, we have a deluxe sample of the Clean It Zero. This is by Vanilla Company. This is a K-Beauty product. This balm is a cleansing balm. It is sealed, so I'm going to leave it that way. I think it's all the same product, but I've had, maybe not, does it say something? Yeah. Oh, this one says Cica Relief on it. I've had this in a light green, like a mint green. I think I've had it in a clear also, like opaque. So it's a nice carry, for traveling. It's a balm to cleanse your makeup off. So this is nice to have. And this is $22 for 100 mLs. This is 7 ml. So a full size is 100 ml. And y'all, that's 6 products. And that's what we are promised. But we have 7 products this time. So next we have the Red Flower Palo Santo Cleansing Hair Wash. And this is $38 for 300 mLs. This is 40 mLs. So this is a nice travel size. Y'all, when I recorded this, when I went to open it because I was going to show you that it was sealed, it gushed out all over me. No seal. So this has this kind of a top, which is nice. You can squeeze out what you need. There's a little bubble on top. There's another bubble. It's a mess. I did clean it up a little bit, but anyway, it's very pretty. Look at how pretty that is decorated. So it smells very masculine to me. It smells like cedar. It says, the sexy, woody smell of Palo Santo, which is a South American tree, is the stuff of niche perfume heaven. And it's even been used as a natural remedy for easing stress. So that sounds wonderful. Shampooing your hair with this, and it'll help relieve some stress, because it smells so good, because it does smell really good. And your partner will like it as well. So that is what this is. So it says to suds up your roots with this shampoo. Rinse and use your favorite conditioner on the lengths and ends. So 7 products, y'all, for $25. And like I said, this is $51 right here. The eye cream from Ren. And then we have the nude sticks, which is beautiful. We have the lip pencil from what was the name of that company? It was Atelier, Dear Midnight Atelier. So I don't know Atelier, they're I know them as a purse and shoe and belts company. So I don't think it's the same people. We have the Dove soap. which my house smells wonderful. It's like I have something burning in a candle or something. It smells wonderful. And then the Beauty for Certain lip gloss and the Clean It Zero Balm. So this is a great box, y'all. There's a lot of good stuff in here. It's well worth the $25, even if you pay full price for it. But you can, like I said, you can find deals, and if you buy it by the year, that's going to be your best deal. A lot of times they have a nice full-size box of goodies for you if you buy it by the year, and then you end up paying less than $20 a box. I think I pay about $17 a box because I bought it by the year. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. I forgot to tell you what I was wearing on my face, y'all. I have on my lips, I have this from MLB. This is a refillable lippy, and it doesn't have a name, but it does have a number. It says M57 Cream, so it's very beautiful. I really like it. And I have a lip liner on too, and I don't know where that's at the moment, so I won't show you that. And then I am wearing on my eyes Nomad Berlin Underground. I love the Nomad palettes. I have a couple new ones coming, and they brought back the Haunted, what's it called? The Haunted Europe. They brought that back just in time for Halloween. So anyway, this is what I'm wearing on my eyes. And this was my very first Nomad palette, and it was very intimidating to me, but I love it. Once I started using it, I just love it. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye.